So today, we're diving into your complete step-by-step guide on how to build a professional, fully automated online radio station with nothing more than a laptop, a microphone, and a bit of ambition. Now, whether you're on a shoestring budget or you're building your next broadcasting empire, this guide works for everyone. Because not everyone's sitting in a soundproof studio with a neon on-air sign. Most of us start in small places, making big sound. This video is brought to you by Radio.co, the ultimate solution for creating your dream internet radio station. Activate your free 7-day trial today by heading to Radio.co and clicking on the pricing page. Getting started. Here's the truth. A fancy studio is nice, but it's not required. Many thriving radio stations still run from spare bedrooms, student flats, and even garden sheds. Even major broadcasters now use home setups for remote shows. The beauty of online radio in 2025 is that it's easier than ever to sound professional without breaking the bank. You can automate, schedule, mix, and broadcast live all through your browser. The goal is to get on air fast, sound good, and then grow as you go. Now here's a couple of quick fire questions. Question 1, I'm new to this and not very technical. Can you help me? Absolutely. Radio.co is built for everyone, from seasoned DJs to complete beginners. There's no code, no setup nightmares, and no servers to manage. You'll be broadcasting live in minutes with simple drag and drop tools. Can I really broadcast from home? Yes, you can. All you need is a stable internet connection, and you can go live from your bedroom, your car, or a beach hut, if that's your vibe. Radio.co lets you manage everything from one dashboard. Go live, schedule shows, or invite guest DJs to access it remotely. Do I need expensive equipment? No. Start small. Your laptop mic will do fine at first, and then you can upgrade over time if you want richer sound. The point is to get on air now, not wait for the perfect conditions. Can I broadcast live to anyone, anywhere? Yes, again. Your listeners can tune in on their phones, in their cars, through smart speakers, or embedded players. As long as you've got internet, your station travels with you. Do I need a license? If you're playing commercial music, you'll need a music license, and that's to cover the artist's royalties. But saying that, Radio.co doesn't require a license just to broadcast. So if you're streaming talk shows or royalty-free music, you're good to go right away. How internet radio works. Let's break it down in human terms. Source. That's you. Your mic and software capture the audio, your voice, music, or both. Server. Radio.co's cloud platform takes that audio stream, tidies it up, and sends it around the world. Listener. Anyone, anywhere, can tune in instantly through your website, mobile app, or directories like TuneIn or Radio Garden. That's it. No mysterious wires or blinking machines, just a clean, seamless cloud pipeline between you and your audience. Bandwidth, servers, and streaming. Okay, deep breath. This bit sounds techie, but stick with me. Bandwidth is basically how much data you're sending to your listeners. And the more people tune in, the higher your audio quality, the more bandwidth you'll use. But don't panic. Radio.co automatically scales your stream so you never have to worry about crashing under listener spikes, because let's face it, there's worse issues to have than lots of listeners. Now, cheaper platforms often fail when your audience grows because their servers can't keep up. At Radio.co, streams are delivered from regional servers, so a listener in Los Angeles connects through LA, and a listener in London connects through the UK. That means zero lag, zero dropout, and crystal clear sound. 24/7. Listeners, storage, and peace of mind. Storage space is simply how many tracks, jingles, and shows you can upload. We've estimated around 10 gigabytes will give you approximately 2,500 tracks, average length tracks at that, whilst 50 gigabytes could then give you roughly 12,500. Now, if you ever need more, Radio.co lets you scale instantly. You can upload, replace, and schedule music directly from your browser. And with guaranteed 99.9% uptime, your station never sleeps. Now, unlike budget services that buckle under pressure, Radio.co's infrastructure is built to keep your shows online, no matter how big your audience gets. Automation. Managing a station alone can be intense. I mean, that's why automation is your best friend. Radio.co's cloud-based automation lets you schedule playlists days, weeks, or even months in advance, pre-record shows and then slot them in automatically, or mix in voice tracks, jingles, and ads without lifting a finger. And when you're ready to go live, you can switch seamlessly with a single click. No tech wizardry required. You can also invite friends, co-hosts, or guest DJs with remote access. Set recurring shows, manage time slots, and keep your station running even when you're off making the tea. Live broadcasting. Automation is great, but nothing beats live radio. Now, when you go live, you can chat, take song requests maybe, run competitions, and build community. Real-time connection is what keeps people coming back to radio. Now, listeners can call in, they can send you messages, or reach you on social media. And because everything runs through Radio.co, you can focus on the fun part, that part of engaging with your audience, not fixing your stream. Software and gear. You can go live using broadcast radio tools like Broadcast Using This Tool, or BUT, as it's known as. Yes, it's still known as that. It's simple, free, and cross-platform. Mix, which is open source with loads of custom features, or maybe if you're a DJ, you could use platforms like Virtual DJ or Serato for your live sets. Now with gear, here's what's popular right now for home broadcasters. For a beginner setup, a good mic to use could be the Rode NT USB Mini, and for headphones, why not try the Sony MDR ZX310. Rolls off the tongue, but they're reliable and affordable. For an intermediate setup, mics we recommend are perhaps the Rode PodMic USB or the Shure MV7. For an interface, try the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. For headphones, try the Audio Technica M50X. And finally, for a pro setup, good mics are the Shure SM7B, still the gold standard of microphone. For an interface, you could try the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, or for a complete mixer, the Rodecaster Pro 2. And for headphones, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pros. Remember, start small, upgrade later. Every great station grows that way. Branding and sonic identity. Your sound is your brand. A great logo helps, sure, but your audio identity is what makes your station unforgettable. That's where sonic branding comes in, your intros, jingles, sweepers, and voiceovers. Radio.co's tools make it easy to manage these assets. Upload, organize, and schedule imaging just like your tracks. Keep your sound consistent, your tone recognizable, and your energy high. Consistency, after all, builds trust. When listeners hear your stinger or your host's voice, they should instantly know what it is they've tuned into. Growing your audience. More ways to listen means more listeners. Radio.co helps you distribute everywhere. You've got your direct stream URL, which you can share on socials, your website, or QR codes. You could use an embeddable player, which you can drop straight into your website, fully branded for you. We have mobile apps where you can get your own custom app made for iOS and Android devices, built by Radio.co, accessible from those global storefronts. Smart speakers stream hands-free through Alexa devices, and directories like TuneIn, Streamer, Radio Garden, and more, all integrated. The easier you make it for people to listen, the faster your audience grows. Listen, building a station isn't about having perfect gear or a massive audience from day one. It's about creating something that connects. And if it takes time, then so be it. But with Radio.co, you can start right now. You can automate your shows, go live in seconds, manage everything from your browser, and reach listeners anywhere in the world. And if you would like a one-to-one walkthrough, book a free demo on our website. We'll help you design, launch, and grow your station step by step. And if you're ready to dive straight in, well, start your free trial today at Radio.co. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, click subscribe, and ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching, take care, and happy broadcasting. And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own radio station? Now, what if I told you that it's literally never been easier to do just that? Especially with our award-winning Radio.co platform at your fingertips, and broadcasting experts there to guide you all the way. Want to know how? Then book in a free demo by visiting radio.co/demo to schedule in a quick, casual, helpful conversation with myself or a colleague. We'll even give you 20% off your subscription just for attending. It's all right, isn't it? We'll show you just how easy it is to get your own internet radio station up and running in mere minutes. Whether it's building playlists of your favorite music, scheduling in a live, real-time program, even building your very own branded mobile apps, Radio.co does it all. Still interested? Well, visit radio.co/demo and let's live out your dream of running your very own global internet radio station.